I think what I'm most excited about for this, the best practices webinar, is the fact that a lot of our organizations are looking at standardizing across the board, right? Because everyone heard, you hear on all social media, on LinkedIn and so on, there are these huge benefits to be had when it comes to just consolidating all of your sites onto one platform and getting those metrics and making those levels of improvement. But, we've been doing this a long time, right? And we know that a lot of organizations are struggling with making that change process and doing it correctly up front so that they can see those benefits. Because once you start, it's kind of like the door's open. You have to continue pushing forward. And I think that's where we can really help. And I know, especially with, we were talking about this the other day, Jason, you've done this hundreds of times. You've seen a lot of organizations that are in different layers of maturity. And what we want to do is make this as simple as possible for them, put a little extra thought in up front, uncover some blind spots, and make sure that we have a successful change process overall.
Yeah, it's got me excited as well. You hit on two really important things there. One is that it's that light bulb that goes off when companies are like, oh yeah, we've got this idea, we think we want to do this, or maybe they're still in their reliability infancy and they're really just starting to roll out sites, but everybody's doing kind of their own thing. When that light bulb goes off where they can see the benefits of having things standardized, having a data dictionary or data governance that really sets the standards for what an asset ID looks like, what their work order types look like, and a process that can be mirrored and executed across multiple regions, multiple sites, and multiple languages. Their ability to then report on all that, to your point, it becomes eye-opening and they get excited about it. And that's probably what I'm most excited about is allowing those eyes to be opened and realize that if we put in that little bit of extra work up front, that the dividends, both financial and informational, are going to pay off. See, I'm better in this setting. I'm not as good just like reading a question and trying to I stumble for some reason. And of course you started the recording, so yeah. Button here.
Still carrying that holiday weight I got going. That's 4 years of holiday weight. So I'm gonna start and just say, hey, what I'm excited about, and then I'll just say, hey, Jason, what they'll clip this, to match what they need
and get rid of everything we've said so far.
Yeah, exactly.